In the heart of the digital age, a new power is rising. This power is not just about economic might or military strength, but about control over the digital realm. China, under President Xi Jinping, aims to become a global cyber superpower. Xi's vision is clear: to dominate the digital landscape and set the rules for the future of cyberspace. This vision, first articulated in 2014, has set in motion strategic initiatives to bolster China's cybersecurity and offensive capabilities. These initiatives include developing advanced cyber defense systems and enhancing the nation's ability to launch cyber attacks. Xi's vision sees cybersecurity as a fundamental aspect of national security and economic prosperity. By securing its digital infrastructure, China aims to protect its economic interests and maintain social stability. China's leadership views cyber dominance as essential for social stability, global power projection, and economic goals. The ability to control information and protect against cyber threats is seen as crucial for maintaining the country's position on the world stage. This vision has led to a comprehensive national strategy, with significant resources poured into cybersecurity education, R&D, and cultivating skilled cyber professionals. China is investing heavily in training the next generation of cyber experts to ensure it remains at the forefront of technological advancements. As China's global influence grows, so does its desire to shape the digital world's rules, raising concerns among Western nations. The international community watches closely as China continues to expand its cyber capabilities and influence, wondering what the future holds for the balance of power in the digital age. China's quest for cyber dominance begins in the classroom. The government has implemented a multi-tiered approach to cybersecurity education, from primary schools to elite universities. These programs instill a deep understanding of cybersecurity principles and foster technical proficiency. Top universities offer specialized degrees in cybersecurity, attracting brilliant minds with prestigious career prospects. Specialized training academies focus on advanced offensive and defensive cyber capabilities. The government also promotes hands-on experience through hacking competitions and cybersecurity boot camps. China's investment in cybersecurity education is creating a rapidly growing pool of highly skilled professionals, attracting interest from foreign companies. Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions are the ultimate proving ground in cybersecurity. These high-stakes events are designed to test the skills, creativity, and resilience of participants. These events pit teams of hackers against each other to find and exploit vulnerabilities. The goal is to outsmart opponents and secure the flag, a digital token hidden within a system. China has embraced CTF competitions with unmatched fervor, hosting hundreds of events annually. These competitions are not just about winning, they are about learning and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in cybersecurity. Chinese CTF teams are renowned for their technical prowess and consistently rank among the top performers internationally. Their success is a testament to their rigorous training and innovative approaches. These victories bring prestige and serve as powerful recruiting tools. Winning teams often attract attention from top tech companies and government agencies looking for the best talent. CTF competitions are key to identifying and cultivating cybersecurity talent. Young participants gain hands-on experience and mentorship from seasoned professionals. Many top professionals started in CTFs, honing skills and strategic thinking. These events serve as a launchpad for future careers in cybersecurity. The government supports CTF events, fostering a thriving ecosystem. This support ensures that the best and brightest are continually challenged and developed. This collaboration between government, industry, and academia pushes cybersecurity innovation. It creates a dynamic environment where new ideas and technologies can flourish. China's CTF ecosystem is constantly evolving, driving the boundaries of cybersecurity. The continuous development of new techniques and tools ensures that China remains at the forefront of global cybersecurity efforts. China's approach to cybersecurity embraces civil-military fusion, a strategy that has been meticulously developed over the years. This strategy breaks down barriers between civilian and military sectors, enabling seamless technology and expertise flow. By integrating these two spheres, China ensures that innovations in the civilian tech industry can be rapidly adapted for military use. The PLA partners closely with China's cybersecurity industry, gaining access to cutting-edge capabilities. This collaboration allows the military to stay ahead in the cyber domain, leveraging the latest advancements in technology. Private companies benefit from the military's cyber operations experience and national security insights. This symbiotic relationship fosters a robust cybersecurity ecosystem where both parties gain significant advantages. This collaboration rapidly develops and deploys sophisticated cyber weapons. The integration of civilian innovation with military precision accelerates the creation of advanced cyber tools. The government encourages this fusion through financial incentives and innovation hubs. These hubs act as breeding grounds for new technologies, supported by both state funding and private investment. Research centers bring together experts from the PLA, academia, and industry. This multidisciplinary approach ensures that a wide range of perspectives and expertise contribute to cybersecurity advancements. Western governments, particularly the US, are concerned about China's edge in future cyber conflicts. The seamless integration of civilian and military efforts in China poses a significant challenge to Western cybersecurity strategies. The US struggles to replicate this model due to bureaucratic hurdles and lack of trust between government and private sectors. This disconnect hampers the ability to create a unified and effective cybersecurity strategy, leaving the US at a potential disadvantage. The quantum threat, a new era of cyber warfare. China is at the forefront of quantum computing, which could revolutionize cybersecurity. Quantum computers can perform calculations far beyond traditional computers, potentially cracking encryption algorithms. China has invested heavily in quantum research, claiming breakthroughs in encryption breaking. The implications for cybersecurity are game-changing, with potential to decrypt sensitive communications and cripple infrastructure. Developing quantum-resistant encryption is crucial but complex and time-consuming. The US and Western nations race to develop such algorithms before China achieves a quantum computing breakthrough. Shadows in the code examples of Chinese state-sponsored hacking. China has been implicated in high-profile cyber espionage campaigns targeting governments, corporations, and organizations. These attacks, often attributed to state-sponsored groups, result in the theft of sensitive data. Notable examples include the 2024 hack of American telecom companies by Salt Typhoon, intercepting calls of politicians and executives. Another example is the 2024 discovery of a massive cyber espionage campaign by Flax Typhoon, targeting over 200,000 devices worldwide. These attacks target government agencies, critical infrastructure, and private companies. The Chinese government denies involvement, but evidence suggests otherwise. The scale and sophistication of these attacks point to a well-resourced and skilled adversary, likely backed by Beijing. The American response, a game of catch-up. The US, once the leader in cyberspace, now faces a formidable challenger in China. China's aggressive pursuit of cyber dominance has caught Washington off guard. The US has imposed sanctions and increased funding for cybersecurity R&D. However, these efforts are criticized as too little, too late. A major challenge is the lack of a cohesive national cybersecurity strategy. Unlike China, the US approach is fragmented, with agencies often working at cross purposes. This lack of coordination hampers efforts to counter Chinese cyber activity. Another challenge is the shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals in the US. The education system struggles to keep pace, leaving the US vulnerable to cyber attacks. The future of cyber conflict. A new Cold War? The US and China are locked in a competition for digital dominance, akin to a new Cold War. Unlike nuclear weapons, cyber weapons are easy to use and difficult to attribute, making them attractive tools. The risk of miscalculation is high, with limited cyber attacks potentially escalating into larger conflicts. The lack of clear norms and rules in cyberspace increases the risk of unintended consequences. The rivalry between the US and China will likely define the digital landscape for years. Both countries have strong incentives to develop sophisticated cyber capabilities, with the risk of major cyber conflict remaining real. Navigating the digital battlefield. Strategies for a secure future. The US and its allies must develop a comprehensive strategy to secure their interests in cyberspace. Strengthening national cyber defenses, investing in cutting-edge technologies, and developing a skilled workforce are crucial. Deterring adversaries through economic sanctions, diplomatic pressure, and retaliatory cyber attacks is essential. Promoting international cooperation to establish norms of behavior and coordinate responses to cyber threats is vital. Fostering innovation in areas like quantum computing and AI will shape the future of cybersecurity. By taking decisive action, the US can secure its interests and ensure a digital age of peace, prosperity, and freedom. And